Good morning, traders. Hey, we're checking out the ES and MNQ today. MES and MNQ. We just got a signal for sell. We're looking pretty good for a sell right here at this point. Okay, what I'm looking at here, I'm on the 5-minute chart. We just got a sell signal, and we've got some resistance. You can see our order block, and you've got the simple market metrics resistance here. So I just set alerts at both those levels, and we're going to see if this thing sinks for the rest of the day here. So let's watch it for a bit and see what happens. Okay, I want to point out we're in the red on the background, even though we've had some green candles. These can really throw you off. Sometimes this happens, and this really messes you up, because I actually took a sell earlier, and it stopped out. I had a pretty short stop loss, and it stopped out with these green candles. I wasn't expecting that. Everything looked really good for a sell, but we've re-entered now. By the way, I've checked the 1 hour time frame on both these, ES and MNQ, MES and MNQ, and we are in sell position. So very strong possibility the rest of the day this is going to sell pretty hard. That's kind of how I'm seeing it. We're just going to kind of watch this and see. But like I said, we've got red candles, red background on both. We're down in the RSI. We've got red dots, red cells. We're looking for pretty good sell strength here. But let's watch it and see what happens. It's been pretty choppy today, not gonna lie. Usually I feel like I usually get a little bit better signals on 5-minute chart, but let's watch this and see what happens. Okay, there we go. That's what we've been waiting for. Nice little pop down. Let's see where this thing ends up for today, but as you can see, we're doing pretty well. Okay, we are pretty close to my target here. I set this target like 45 minutes ago. You can see these green dotted lines are very strong supports, so that's my alert, and that's my alert on the NES and NQ here. Sinking pretty hard. I also did set a profit target stop on Tradeovate. They have a function where you can set your risk parameters, and I'm shooting for 800 a day. This is a $100,000 account, so we're getting pretty close to that. But let's see how this ends up. This is exciting. Okay, so I just canceled all my trades. On one of these dip downs, it hit the 850, but it didn't cancel. The Tradeovate that I set did not cancel all my trades. It actually went to like 900 something briefly, and it didn't cancel it. So I got to investigate that. So by the time I got to that screen where I could cancel all the trades, I was down to 670 something with fees and everything at 641. But excellent day. Really happy with the metrics. I love the 3-minute, 5-minute chart. Using your 1 hour time frame as your overall trend indicator. As you can see right here, I really want to point this out. If you go back at the beginning of the video, we were clear up here, and this was my target. These little green dots are my target, so that's why I made them dots. I love to see those dots. They're in conjunction with my order blocks. Same thing on this dot here. See how that just barely touched it, and now it's backed up a little bit. So excellent place to put your take profit, or your targets. Put your targets right there. If you don't want to set a target with the actual trade, just do an alert at that level, right? That makes it a little bit easier to see if we zoom in here, but you can see we just barely touched it, and I watched my profit and loss go clear to 900 something, and it didn't stop the trades, which I had that set. So I'm going to get with Tradeify, see if I can get that set up. I like that feature a lot, though. I like the ability to stop trading, hit your target, stop trading for the day, because we'd hit there, and now we might reverse a little bit. So excellent trades, guys. Excellent markets. These simple market metrics are amazing. I love how you can read the chart. I don't really like 1 minute. I've showed that in some other videos. There's way too much chop, in my opinion. But the 5-minute chart, 3-minute chart, 1 hour chart's golden. Gives you some excellent setups here. So when I got that last alert, it was 25 minutes ago, and we hit some massive downselling on. We hit some mass bear action on the MES and the MNQ. In fact, let's see how that one turned out. This is the MNQ right here. Boom, look at that. I put my target like at the very bottom of this wick, and it just barely touched it for not even a second. It was crazy. I watched this go 700, 800, 900, 906 or 15 or something. And then it backed, when this backed up a little bit, it went clear back down to 650. I mean, that's how much I had leveraged. I had two micros on MNQ and 3 on MES. And I love that setup. That's a really, really good setup. It leaves you, especially on a 100K account, you got plenty of room to adjust and to let your trades breathe, so to speak. So yeah, these are awesome, guys. Thank you to the people that have bought the Simple Market Metrics through my link. If you haven't done so yet, please use that link. For 99 bucks, it's super hard to beat. This thing just works. As this video showed and many other videos on my channel, this thing just works. So get it, get your accounts, get going. There's nothing to wait on. Even if you want to put it on a demo account for a week or two, it's so worth it. Once you get the hang of it, you'll love it. I don't trade. I play with a little bit of setups here and there, but this is how I primarily trade now, and I really see it being going to be an awesome 2025. So get it. Use my link below. Get the Simple Market Metrics and get started. What are you waiting for?